in 2024. In 2024, the world of bedroom decor is embracing a harmonious blend of modernity and timeless elegance, offering a plethora of innovative ideas to transform your personal sanctuary into a haven of comfort and style. From minimalist designs to bold statements, the trends of this year reflect a desire for both functionality and aesthetic appeal, ensuring that your bedroom becomes a reflection of your personality and taste. One prevailing theme in bedroom decor for 2024 is the celebration of nature. Earthy tones, organic materials, and botanical motifs dominate the scene, bringing a sense of tranquility and serenity into the space. Think soft, muted hues inspired by the natural world, such as sage green, warm terracotta, and soft sandy neutrals. Incorporating sustainable materials like bamboo, rattan, and reclaimed wood not only adds a touch of eco-consciousness, but also lends a timeless charm to the decor. Moreover, the concept of biophilic design has gained momentum in 2024, emphasizing the connection between humans and nature. This trend encourages the integration of natural elements into the bedroom, such as indoor plants, natural light, and flowing water features. A lush green plant perched on a bedside table or a cascading vine draping elegantly from a shelf can instantly breathe life into the room, promoting a sense of well-being and relaxation. Another notable trend in bedroom decor this year is the resurgence of vintage and retro-inspired aesthetics. Nostalgia reigns supreme as designers and homeowners alike draw inspiration from bygone eras, infusing their bedrooms with retro furniture pieces, nostalgic artwork, and eclectic accessories. From mid-century modern accents to Art Deco influences, the key is to mix and match different elements to create a space that feels both curated and personal. Multifunctionality is the name of the game in 2024. With living spaces becoming increasingly compact, there's a growing demand for furniture pieces that serve multiple purposes without sacrificing style. Beds with built-in storage, convertible sofas, and modular shelving systems are just a few examples of the innovative solutions available to maximize space utilization in the bedroom. Additionally, customizable furniture options allow homeowners to tailor their decor to suit their specific needs and preferences. Furthermore, technology seamlessly integrates with bedroom decor in 2024, offering a myriad of smart solutions to enhance comfort and convenience. From adjustable lighting systems and temperature-controlled mattresses to voice-activated assistants and integrated entertainment hubs, the possibilities are endless. With the touch of a button or a simple voice command, you can create the perfect ambiance for relaxation or catch up on your favorite TV shows without ever leaving the comfort of your bed.